It's soup season, so today we're making a chicken and kale soup. This warm and cozy recipe is fantastic for lazy weekends and cold fall days. It's simple and straightforward, so let's get cooking. Dice 1 white onion. Dice 4 carrots. Slice 4 to 5 celery stalks. Add 5 pieces of fresh thyme, 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, seven chicken tenderloins or 2 chicken breasts, and 64 ounces of chicken stock. We'll then add 1 bunch of kale. Cook in our Instant Pot on high for 15 minutes. Once done, we'll break apart our chicken, and boom, we have chicken and kale soup. The broth is flavorful with the thyme and pepper seasoning, and the kale, chicken, and carrots pair so well. I like to serve this with some fresh bread and enjoy for dinner. If you enjoyed, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know what your favorite soups are in the comments below.